Hæ Við erum stelpumyndbandafélagi Emma og a.k.a. Stemma og ég ætla að kynna ykkur fyrir félagsmeðlumum hér. Þetta Kristína, þetta Lilja, þetta Jóna og Ína veifaði. Fókusbíti. Og þetta Ardís og þetta Elisabeth. Og, sorry, ég heiti Berglind.
Uh-oh, man. Uh-oh. '85 white Lamborghini Countach, 2 of them. I need a slow motion video right now, 'cause I'm moving in slow motion, feeling like Ike Williams shooting the nigga, cooting the nigga, hey. I need a slow motion video right now, hey. Damn, baby, pussy can't be your only hustle, unless you bad as Naomi Russell. I mean, a lot of niggas got money, so basically, Russell ain't the only Russell. Russell Brand, Russell Crowe, 0, a whole lot of O's. What you after? After money? You in line behind currency. Yeah, you after money. Bulletproof condom when I'm in these hoes. Got staples on my dick. Why? Fucking centerfolds. And I swear to God, they so cold. Got a nigga in Miami wearing winter clothes. I got my fur on, feeling like Jerome. She got a fur too, we get our ears and her on. Don't look at the jewelry or get your blur on. Too close to comatose, so dope you